of Thought Matters podcast. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, and today we're diving deep into the most transcendent level of our journey, level 60, the embodiment of cosmic love. Now, at this level, we are experiencing love in its most elevated form. We aren't just feeling love, we are becoming it. Our very essence is love. We radiate the highest frequency of cosmic love. Our existence is a living testimony to the power and beauty of love. Unconditional love becomes our natural state. We love without limits, encompassing all of creation. There are no boundaries to our love. It flows effortlessly to all beings, all aspects of life, and the universe itself. It's a boundless, all encompassing love that knows no discrimination. As we embrace this boundless love, we actively participate in creating a universe bound and grounded in love, compassion, and divine connection. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions are all driven by this profound love. We become catalysts for a world where love and unity prevail. As we resonate at level 60, our mental landscape undergoes a profound transformation, and we no longer see division. Instead, we perceive the interconnectedness of all things. Love becomes the lens for which we view the world. We understand the cosmic dance of creation, where love is the music that harmonizes all. Those around us can't help but notice the transformation. They see us as a beacon of love, radiating warmth and compassion. Our presence brings comfort and healing. We become a living example of what possible when love guides every action. To reach this level, my dear listeners, I encourage you to immerse yourself in literature about love practices and practice daily acts of compassion and engage in loving kindness meditation. As you do so, you'll find yourself gradually resonating with this profound cosmic love. Now, as we conclude this episode, we prepare to explore the next level of our journey of self discovery. Stay tuned as the path to cosmic wisdom unfolds before us. Before we part ways today, I want to express my deep gratitude to the Thought Matters podcast team, our dedicated listeners, and each one of you. Thank you for your presence and your commitment to personal growth and understanding the immense power of our thoughts. We'll meet again in our next episode. Until then, embrace the love that resides within you.